In a village where every secret sleeps beneath dust, born different, drawn to the hidden. From the very first breath, he craved what others ignored. Patterns, whispers, each one a tiny key to a larger secret. That hunger didn't fade. It grew, pulling him toward powers.
Under a masters both kind and severe, he learned luminous practices. Practices drawn from Quranic scripture and ancient transmissions. His mind was sharpened, then bent. His heart opened, then tested. Each teaching peeled back a layer of reality. Unseen beings, wounded by his presence, rose like storms. Ambushes in shadows, traps in dreams. The hunt had begun. When the tide turned, he was seized. War drums echoed, deserts swallowed him, mountains spit him out. The edge of the world became his classroom. In the realm of spirits, he received gifts and impossible demands, visions of creation, languages of light, tasks no sane mind could comprehend. To reach these thresholds, he had to surrender comfort, to leave behind logic, to become in part unmoved, a majzoor, raised above ordinary judgment. Alone in exalted solitude, he learned miracles that cannot be taught, only endured. He returned, changed, carrying volumes no sane pen could write. Yet there is one impossibility. The tongue that tested the unseen cannot speak to ordinary ears, except to one person. Sir Iftikhar, the only soul he can trust. The silence ends. This is the story he was forbidden to tell.